Hi there, my name is Lee Arnold. I'm the broker and owner of Benchmark Properties. I want to welcome you today to 4163 Lake Park Lane in beautiful Fallbrook, California. This home has been recently renovated, so I want to take you on a tour. Let's go check it out. As you enter the kitchen and dining area, you're immediately welcomed by quartz countertops and a custom subway style backsplash. The living room and dining area features real hardwood flooring, a fireplace, shiplap wall, and custom framed window coverings. This beautiful cul-de-sac home features a shiplap wall and custom tile entry. The oversized master retreat features a shiplap wall with custom framed window coverings. The master bathroom features a soaking tub, separate shower, and custom dual sink vanity with shiplap walls and custom floating shelves. As you walk upstairs, you're immediately welcomed to the top floor by a custom built-in loft desk area. Located upstairs is the laundry room, in addition to the 2 extra bedrooms connected by a Jack and Jill bathroom. The open backyard features a stamped concrete patio with an unobstructed view of the rolling hills, mountains, and northern facing views. I hope you enjoyed your tour today. If you have any questions about this home or any of the other properties we have available, give us a buzz at 760-849-4401 or visit us online, Instagram, and Facebook at benchmarksocal.com.